Today we're going to dive into the Culinary Arts elective available for all students and see what they're up to this week.
Culinary Arts is an elective available to all RHS students. The class is available to all grades and includes 2 levels, Culinary Arts 1 and Culinary Arts 2. It is a full-year elective where students can learn from hands-on activities, baking and cooking their favorite meals right in the classroom. Teacher, Chef Pavanelli, explains how the class offers everyone valuable life skills that can be used through adulthood.
I just think it's a life skill. I think everybody should know how to cook something, whether it's pasta or soup or mac and cheese, whatever it might be, hard-boiled eggs. Anything that you could do to better yourself in life is a life skill, and that's good.
Students Madison Gambuza and Juliet Crisafulli explain how taking the class has helped them become more independent and widen their range of knowledge.
Cooking helped me at home because it taught me how to cook and to be more independent.
My favorite part about class is making a variety of different types of foods.
The classroom environment is like no other, and students can express themselves through the art of cooking. Chef says his favorite part about the class is teaching others about his trade.
Favorite thing about teaching culinary arts is the opportunity to teach students my trade that I've been doing for over 30 years. So whether or not you're interested in going into the business, or you just want to do it for a hobby or for fun, or just make sure you can take care of yourself when you leave your house and your parents, that's why I'm here, to teach my trade so you can cook.
This week, all the culinary arts classes are baking festive cookies as a fun activity for the upcoming holidays. Chef Pavanelli says these cookies are the final push before the holidays.
So this week, holiday week, so we're baking a lot of cookies. We have the preschoolers coming up today to decorate some sugar cookies. We have hot chocolate cookies going down, snickerdoodles, biscotti, what else are we making? S'mores cookies. So we've got a lot of cookies going down this week, a lot of work to do in this final push before the holiday season. So happy holidays to all, and stop by for a cookie.
This week is just a look at what the culinary class has to offer to the students of RHS. If you want to see more, make sure to sign up to take culinary arts as an elective for next year.
This is Scarlett Cantada reporting for RAM Studios.